Is vinegar safe for stainless steel?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll tackle a common household question. Is it safe to use vinegar on stainless steel appliances to remove rust stains? By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to safely clean your stainless steel appliances.
What is vinegar?
Let's start with the basics. What is vinegar? Vinegar is a liquid that consists of about 5 to 20% acetic acid, water, and trace chemicals. This acid is what gives vinegar its strong smell and sour taste. More importantly for us, it's also what gives vinegar its cleaning properties.
Can vinegar remove rust stains?
Vinegar is indeed an effective cleaning agent, and it's particularly good at removing rust stains. The acetic acid in vinegar reacts with rust, iron oxide, to produce a substance that can be easily washed away with water. So yes, vinegar can be a quick and easy solution for removing those stubborn rust stains.
Is vinegar safe for stainless steel?
Now to the main question. Is it safe to use vinegar on stainless steel? The short answer is yes, but with a caveat. Vinegar can be safely used on stainless steel appliances. However, it's important to remember not to let the vinegar sit on the surface for too long. This is because the acid in vinegar can potentially damage the protective layer of your stainless steel if left in contact for extended periods. Always remember to dilute the vinegar with water before using it on stainless steel. You can start with equal parts of vinegar and water. Don't forget to rinse thoroughly with water and dry immediately after the cleaning process to prevent water spots or stains.
Are there alternatives to vinegar?
If you're worried about the potential damage vinegar might cause, there are alternative cleaners you can use. Many commercial stainless steel cleaners are available in the market, specifically designed to clean and maintain the shine of your stainless steel appliances without causing harm. That's all we have for today. In summary, yes, vinegar is safe for stainless steel appliances when used properly. It can effectively remove rust stains, but remember to dilute it, not to let it sit for too long, and to rinse thoroughly afterwards. If you're still worried about potential damage, don't hesitate to try commercial stainless steel cleaners. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy cleaning!